this morning. Let me introduce myself. I'm Sales Master Erlinda Gutierrez Tismo from Ariul Marikina Adja Adja Center. Hi everyone.
Hi po, morning.
Today I've been tasked to share with you my experiences in using Atomy products. As we all know by now, Atomy is a global online shopping mall that distributes or sells top quality basic necessities products at affordable price. So when you say affordable, no other company can compete or no one else can do it at the same price and quality. So since knowing Atomy and its products, I really fell in love with all the products I tried because they really do whatever it claims it can do, you know. So I really fell in love with any product I tried. So much so that I now changed my brand to Atomy. No? Everything I need or my family needs, I now get from Atomy because of its healthy, organic, plant-based, and environment-friendly products, which uses no harmful chemicals or synthetic ingredients. So moreover, every product that we buy from Atomy has point values, which are sometimes more than 10 times higher than what we pay for. So when we accumulate point values, they become the basis of computing commissions, which will become our passive income later on. Okay. The first product that I would like to share with you is the Cafe Arabica. I really love drinking coffee, but because of my hyperthyroidism, I cannot just drink any kind of coffee, especially those with caffeine. For years, I avoided drinking coffee, although I love coffee so much. Because more often than not, when I drink caffeinated coffee, excuse me, I would always experience heart palpitations. But now that we have Cafe Arabica, I was so thankful. It uses 100% Arabica coffee beans and natural casein as the basic creamer, which means it's a healthy type of coffee. Would you believe that now, even if I finish 3 cups of Arabica coffee a day, I don't feel any jitters or heart palpitations whatsoever. So I'm very thankful, no? And even if I take it or drink it late in the afternoon, I could still sleep easily because it has less caffeine compared with other brands. And I thank Atomy for this amazing product because I'm really a coffee drinker. The next product that I will share with you is the Atomy dish detergent. I believe in this product because it is a nature-friendly detergent containing natural plant-based formula that creates powerful washing and antibacterial effect. It washes all the dirt and contaminants, but retains the freshness and color of the fruits, veggies, and meats. One thing that I like with this detergent is I can use the water that has been used to soak fruits, veggies, and meats to water my plants. And ever since I use it as, as water for them, my plants grew. I mean, they bloomed. They bloomed and their leaves turned green and shiny and parang walang dust na kumakapit sa kanila. So the leaves are really, they look clean. And the container is, this is the old dish detergent. I did not throw away the the empty one. No, I turned it into a container for my baking needs. No, kasi very sturdy naman siya, makapal. So iyan na isang use na nagawa ko from the dish detergent. The next product that I will share is the Atomy Body Care Adam Cleanser. It is a cleanser that it is a personal hygiene cleanser that maintains our sensitive, private areas healthy and refreshed. It contains various natural herbs, so it's very safe to use. With natural apple aroma, essential oil, chamomile, and other herbs. This product removes unpleasant odor and leaves a refreshing feeling. Just a small amount can do the job. Now, my experience with this is one time I had this burning sensation when I peed. No, parang yung mag-i-start na UTI, urinary tract infection. So what I did, anyway, I was going to shower. I put some on the area affected, and then let it stay for about 2 minutes before washing it with or rinsing it with water. Now I repeated that for about 2 times that day, and I know that I would have that UTI if I didn't do anything about it, because I know that burning feeling when you pee. Now this Adam cleanser really prevented the UTI from progressing into a full-blown UTI. The following day, wala na akong naramdamang yung burning sensation, yung mahapdi. So parang talaga naging normal na. Because of siguro dehydration, sa pagka-busy ko siguro, I forgot to drink water, so I got dehydrated. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng parang, yun nga, yung burning sensation na parang start na ng UTI. But because of this Adam cleanser, na-prevent yun. So, I didn't need to take any antibiotics. Eh, ako takot talaga mag-take na antibiotics eh. So, thank God for this product. The last, I mean, not really the last. I will now share with you my experience with Hemohim. With Hemohim. When my husband was operated on last October 2018, we were using some other supplements that were effective, no? Effective also because I really believe in those offered by the networking companies. They really are effective. So I use them so that my husband would recover fast from his operation, triple bypass surgery. So when Ma'am Alice visited me one time or called me one time offering Hemohim, I told her, ano na naman yan? Ano na naman yan? Networking na naman yan. So parang in-ignore ko siya the first time. The second time around, alam naman medyo makulit si Ma'am Alice. So she offered me again. So anyway, I needed something to boost my husband's immune system because of the operation and my immune system too. So I consented. And then, so when I tried Hemohim, I really saw that it was really effective, no? It was really, it made my husband strong, healthy, and because of that, I already removed the other supplements and I retained only Hemohim. So up to now, it's Hemohim and the other food supplements that he's taking. So he recovered fast from his bypass surgery, and by God's grace, he's healthier and stronger. And with this Hemohim, I would like to share also na every year, before Hemohim, we would have this flu, colds, and sore throat syndrome once a year, at least once a year, especially when at the time of sudden change of temperature. No? So every December or January, I would really dread that month because I know sometimes I lose my voice for 2 weeks because of the sore throat. But when we took Hemohim and the other food supplements like Alaska E Omega-3, Probiotics 10 Plus, Color Food Vitamin C, everything went well. Now we're still taking them, and both of us became healthier, and we no longer dread the December or January months because the flu and cold syndrome is already gone by God's grace. So I'm really very thankful to Hemohim and all the other food supplements. Now, for my skincare, for my daily skincare, let's go to daily skincare. I'm using evening care set, the Fame, the Synergy Ampule, the Absolute Reset Balm. The evening care set contains 2 types of cleansers. And the one I use almost every day is the foam cleanser, because anyway, I just stay home. But it's better to use both of them, the deep cleanser and the foam cleanser. Now, since I use those cleansers and the peel-off mask, parang pumuti daw ako. At medyo nagbago daw aura ng mukha ko. So I attribute that not only to the cleansers or to the skincare, the fame. I also attribute that to Hemohim and the other food supplements that I've been taking. No. Ngayon, every time I use the evening care set, skin care set, I apply it whenever whenever I take a bath, because in the evening, almost always I don't have time. So it's very rare that I use it in the evening. So when I take a bath in the morning, that's when I start using, sinasabay ko na sa paligo. Kumbaga, I use the foam cleanser and the other products that we have, the body cleanser. Dire-diretso na yan. Pati yung peeling gel, no? For the peeling gel, I just wait for about 3 minutes before rinsing it off, and then after shower, I apply the eye cream, which is contained in the fame, the eye cream, the essence. First of all, the toner, and then the essence, and then the eye cream, then the nutrition cream, and that's the time when I put on the peel-off mask. When I have the time, I just wait for about 30 minutes. And then peel it off after 30 minutes. Pagka-peel off, parang napaka-smooth ng skin, very soft. Yun lang ang regimen ko. So, sometimes, I use also the Synergy Ampule. It's a 1-month treatment or program where every week you have to consume 1 vial from 0 to 1, 2, 3. So that sila may function. So some of them gives vitamins, some of them rejuvenates the skin, This helped me also achieve this, this present skin of mine. Before, I had a very oily face, lalo na dito sa T-zone, no? Talagang nangingintab ang mukha ko. And my pores, because my skin is oily, I'm prone to open pores. But now, because of the regular use of these products, parang nagsara yung mga pores ko, no? Smoothen. Also use this EP Skin Booster. After applying the skincare products, the evening care, and the fame, I use this for quick absorption and quick massage, gentle massage, para ka nagpa-spa. So this I got from, Ma'am Lisel as a reward for attaining the highest point values. So this is just free. But I bought another one for, so I can offer it for sale. It's very effective. Anytime you have the, you extra time, you can, while watching TV, ganyan, mga wrinkles mo dyan. Yan. Dati may ano ako dito eh. Dati ang lalim ng aking rito. Wrinkle na wala na oh. At my age now, dapat siguro marami na akong wrinkles, My neighbor who is more than 10 years younger than I am already have several wrinkles here. I really thank Atomy. I'm so glad God has given us Atomy. Very nice products. I really, every time I try any product, I really fall in love with the product. So now, puro Atomy. Atomy ang laman ng bathroom, mga gamit sa washing machine. So nabawasan yung mga chemicals inside the house. And that's what I really want for the health and well-being of the family. I also take this inner collagen. It's so rejuvenating also for the skin, inside and out. It also helps. Now my skin is no longer, dati medyo wrinkled na to. Wrinkled na ngayon medyo parang nag-stretch siya. So we have to have this regularly for beauty inside and out. I think that's all for my testimony. I hope you learned something from it or you gained something from it. Thank you so much. Again, I'm Sales Master Erlinda Gutierrez Tismo from Ariul Marikina, Adja Center.